Hi everyone, it's Kristi. Welcome back to my channel. I have another little haul. I don't know how little it is, but it's a haul from Hobby Lobby. I had to take my daughter yesterday, run some errands. We stopped by Hobby Lobby and paper was 50% off. I didn't need any more paper, but they had all the seasonal stuff out, and you know how it is. And I needed some of this craft card stock, and everything was 50% off. That was the Paper Studio, so I got this for $8.50. And I got home and got a notice from Amazon that they were delivering a pack pretty much like this tomorrow, which is today, and I paid $13 for that pack. So I'm gonna wait and start buying it at Hobby Lobby for two reasons. This is 110 pound 300 GSM. It doesn't really look like it's two different colors. Now the one I got from Amazon I think is about a 65 pound weight. I can't find out any information about it on the listing, but somebody said it was about 130 GSM, so that's what I'm guesstimating. I can use them both differently, so I'm not worried about that. I won't need to buy any craft cardstock for a while, so that's one thing I got. How can I forget that I buy 100 pack of whatever? I'm buying too much. They had these were in the these were in two sections. They were in the sticker section, and they were also in the seasonal section with the tablecloths and oven mitts and all of those there was a whole section of sunflower items. So these were 40% off, so -3, so $1.20 off. And so I figured I could pick those up for $1.80. Not too bad. I'll use sunflowers. I use those year round. And then I went to the clearance section, and I don't even know what I got. There were these two things. This says cutting template, but I hope you can see that without too much glare. I really like the intricate I'll say it slower, design of these. And look at that little square. I just think this will be real cool. It doesn't have anything on that side, but it looks like there's well, maybe not, little booklet in there, but you can see here it's kind of a nested design. These would make really cool corners. $12.99 regular. I got it for $3.24, so picked that up. And then this one, I don't even really know what it is, but to me when I looked at it, I thought it looked like a poinsettia. And this was $24.99, marked down to $6.24. There's 8 dies in here: flourish, flower, leaf, and then this looks like, okay, so it has the outline, it has the detail, and then it has this little shape which can easily be used as a label, as well as I believe it holds this together. But I'll look it up. Spellbinderspaperarts.com for inspiration. Yeah, so that was $6.24. Hopefully you can see that without the glare. Pretty cool. And then my daughter was with me, and she's a pineapple girl, so she I happened to see this. It has a little I love us with pineapples, and the pineapples are made out of flowers, which I just thought was adorable. So they had 2 of these. I picked up both of them, as they do have paper, and I couldn't, well, let's see, yeah, they have 6 sheets of paper. 10 sheets of paper. I couldn't find a collection called Family. This one says Family at the top. But she found this navy floral that has very similar Instead of stripes, it has the gingham. Instead of the tiny dots, it has bigger dots. But the color palette, the flowers are slightly different. Color palette is the same as this. So I don't know what we're going to do with it yet, but we'll let you know when we get there. I'm not really fond of gold. That's not my favorite thing, but I am a fan of things that all coordinate. Okay, so here's my thing. So I picked up, and I may have picked this up before, because I gotta tell you, I picked this one up, and then there was one underneath it, and I was like, oh, I love this too, and I picked it up, and the only difference was the cover. The papers inside were exactly the same, but the cover pictures were scrambled, and it was also called Old World Winter. Exact same paper, so it tells you where my eye goes. I pick the same things. I love this. This is me right here on one little Christmas cardstock collection. So we'll be making something, a couple of things with that for our upcoming boutique, Christmas boutique. And I don't know that I've seen this one before. A lot of times, excuse me, sorry, I had to take a drink. A lot of times I noticed in the Paper Studio collections that you'll have the same designs in cardstock, in craft card, and also in paper. This one happened to be cardstock, which I actually prefer. It is, like I said, a thinner cardstock, so it's like 60, but yeah, that's about 65-pound cardstock. But look at how grungy, I think you guys can get all this. Look how grungy these papers are. I really, really like these. And very few of them are directional. So, and even the directional ones, I would say this is directional, this is directional. This one has words. Maybe it's directional, but I would say, you know, the majority of them are not directional. You know what? Let's open this. Let's see what this looks like inside. Okay, I don't like these stickers. I wish they would make them stickers that could come off, because they make the paper sticky. But this is called Distressed Florals. And it's pinks and grays, and looks like there's 3 of every one, 3 of 20 designs. This is kind of a gray, gray-green. That's what I would call it. This is my favorite one. Did I hit the camera? I'm sorry if I did. This has postcards in the background with the flowers and very distressed. Oh, you know what? It's crackled. Oh yeah, I love that. This is a wood grain with kind of a damask pattern on it in the background. There again, kind of blues and mint green and pink or peach. Very cool. This one has music and paisleys, and that's a green. Here's another pink with a damask pattern. Excuse me. Here's the brick with the florals. And you know what? I don't think this is directional. I'm looking at this. I think you could go any way. This could be top, bottom, side. Yeah. I don't think that's necessarily directional. The only thing that bugs me about directional, this one's crackled as well, with the, now you know what? This is very similar to the pattern I have in that one that I'm doing the 12 journals with. That was kind of a yellowy mustard color, and it was daisies. When I get around to using this, I'm definitely going to be using that daisy lace that I found. Yeah, this one has words, but they go in different directions, so perfect. There again, the damask, that's the pink. And here's some more florals. This one has words. They look like this. Yeah, they're going, that one's directional. But, you know, it wouldn't be that noticeable. Oh, that's a map. I didn't even realize that. On the cover, it looked like just kind of color blobs. Didn't really look like a map. So that one's green. I'm getting out of screen, but I'm running into my lamp over here. That's why I'm bumping you guys. This is a nice little pink on off-white plaid with the gray kind of stamps, floral. Those are leaves. That looks like the leaf on that die cut. No, it doesn't. But I think I have a leaf like that. You know, this is that pink paper that I have in that other collection. It really is. So this would coordinate really well with the one that I'm using for the 12 TNs. Another wood grain. And sometimes, you know, you get deja vu. You think, did I already buy this one? It looks very similar, but it's because they do repeat their designs on different papers. So I know Haberdashery, Theodosia Square, and there's another one are very similar patterns, but in different paper quality. So this one has postcards. I think this one's my favorite. I really like that with be a great cover. This one too would be a great cover. There's butterflies on that one. And that one's pretty, but very subtle colors, which I love. Very shabby chic. This one is directional with the words. Yeah, so only really 2, okay, maybe 3, but this one only has 1 word that I can see. Maybe here, so not a big deal. So that's that one. But yeah, I'm looking forward to using that one. I've got a couple of projects coming up. I want to do some soft spine covers, and yeah, I need to go through. I save everything to a list on YouTube that I want to make, and I just keep going back thinking, I need to make that, and then I see something new and it's like squirrel, and I go make that. But yeah, I need to get busy doing that. But anyway, so this is just a little bonus haul video. I'm not going any more shopping. I went to Hobby Lobby to get a stamp. I want a scalloped 2 to 2.5 inch punch, not stamp. And they were not on sale, so I did not buy them. And the other one that I was saying, there were 3 of these. The other one is a banner punch, which I'm not sure I really need, because it's just a rectangle and you clip out the bottom. I don't think I need a punch for that. Would it help me use up my scraps if I had a punch already lined up? Maybe. But I could just as easily just cut 2-inch strips and start, you know, making things out of them. So anyway, bonus video. Today is Flippin' Friday, so there will be a video dropping this afternoon, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.